Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a speaker at your own. So in this video, I will show you how to make a speaker. First, I will see how it performs, and after that, I will dismantle the build speaker to show you how I have made it. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project. First of all, I will show you how it works. So let's see. So it is working fine. You can see it here. So friend, now I will see the different type of frequencies. It is only 150 Hz. So friend, you can see it here. The speaker is working, but this type of speaker is of different type. That means the main thing is for this type of speaker is, in most of the speaker you can see it here, the wire is connected with the membrane. Means a coil is there, electromagnetic coil is there, which is connected with the membrane. But in this case it is different. As I have stated you earlier, I will show you by dismantling it. Here the coil is not moving, but the membrane is moving. You can see it here. I am dismantling it. Here is the magnet. This is an iridium magnet in the membrane, and here is the coil only. Here is the PVC pipe, a piece of PVC pipe, a normal plastic with a iridium magnet. Here is the coil part. This is from toy. This is normal coil and nothing else, but the coil resistance is about 4 ohms, because most of the Bluetooth speaker usually work in 4 ohms, 3 watt or 5 watt. So here I have make the resistance of the coil is about 4 ohms only. The two part of the coil is connected with the headphone jack. You can see it here. Here is the coil. The two part of the coil, means two end of the coil, is soldered here, and you can see it is connected with headphone jack. So it is quite easy to build. The main engine part, the membrane part, and the body part with PVC. However, these two part is from sketch pen, you can see it here, and this part is built from toy helicopter. So I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to like,